Imagine stepping out of your house for a quick haircut, but instead of walking into a salon or barber shop, you enter a fully automated grooming pod. No human barber, no awkward small talk, just an AI-driven machine analyzing your face, choosing a style, and giving you a fresh cut with robotic precision. Before we dig deep into this exciting invention, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let Me Tell You. This futuristic concept is part of a new wave of autonomous grooming technology, AI-powered haircut pods. Think of them as vending machines, but instead of snacks, they dispense perfectly aligned fades, beard touch-ups, and clean shaves. They use facial mapping, laser-guided cutting tools, and predictive styling software to recreate the kind of precision usually reserved for elite barbers. Here's how this high-tech grooming capsule operates when you step inside. Firstly, a face scan is done. A 3D scanner instantly maps every curve, angle, and symmetry point on your face: nose, jawline, cheekbones. Then a style selection. The AI compares your features with thousands of hairstyle templates: a fade, a taper, a beard trim that makes you look financially stable. It's all pre-loaded. Then precision tools are used. Robotic arms with ultra-safe, ultra-accurate trimming heads go to work. Guided by light sensors, they know exactly where to cut. And lastly, finishing touches: moisturizing mist, hot towel treatment, even beard oil. The machine doesn't just groom, it pampers you. So why is this invention creating such a buzz? For starters, it revolutionizes accessibility. No scheduling, no waiting, no hassle. Just walk in, sit down, and let the machine do its magic. For people who want a quick, consistent haircut every week, this could be a game changer. And for students, imagine 5-minute grooming before a presentation. Plus, with AI improving daily, these pods don't just cut hair, they learn your preferences and adapt your style. So that is the world of AI grooming pods, a future where getting a haircut is faster than ordering fries and done entirely by machine. Would you trust an AI robot with your hairline? Or does the idea terrify you more than a bad barber? Tell us in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Let Me Tell You.